Alright, so our problem is asking us to find all 6 trig functions for the point 4, negative 6. First, you have to find your point 4, negative 6, which would be about here. You would finish your triangle, not your triangle. So this side length is going to equal 4. This one will equal negative 6. And then you can do Pythagorean theorem to get your hypotenuse, which is going to equal 2 square roots of 13. This is your theta angle. So this will be your opposite. This will be your adjacent. And then this obviously is your hypotenuse. Using SOHCAHTOA, you can find all of your trig functions. First, we'll do sine, which equals negative 6 over 2 times the square root of 13. Because we have a square root on the bottom, we have to rationalize. So we'll multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 13 to get negative 6 times the square root of 13 over 2 times 13, which is 26, which will simplify to negative 3 square roots of 13 over 13. Next, we'll find cosine, which we'll start with 4 over 2 times the square root of 13, which we again have to rationalize. That will give us 4 times the square root of 13, also over 26, 2 times 13. And this simplifies to 2 square roots of 13 over 13. Next is tangent, which is our opposite side over our adjacent side, which will be negative 6 over 4, which simplifies to negative 3 over 2. Next we'll do the other 3, which is cosecant, secant, and cotangent. To find cosecant, we'll do the flipped version of sine. So we'll do 13 over negative 3 times the square root of 13. You have to rationalize to get rid of your square root, and you'll get 13 times the square root of 13 over negative 3 times 13, which gives us 39, negative 39, and that simplifies to the square root of 13 over negative 3. To find secant, we'll look at our cosine values, so we will use 13 over 2 times the square root of 13. Again, we have to rationalize, and you will get 13 times the square root of 13 over 2 times 13, which is 26, and that simplifies to the square root of 13 over 2. Finally, we have cotangent, which is the flipped version of tangent. So we'll have 4 over negative 6, which will give us 2 over negative 3.